Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be breaking into a palette I haven't used in a while, and it's the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, and this is Lisa Frank inspired makeup. It's bright, colorful, and neon, and yes, my right eye in the inner corner is a little messed up, but my eye would not quit watering, and yeah. It is what it is. I still wanted to film this because I love how this look turned out. And I think it's perfect for summer. Bright, fun, and colorful. Profusion eyeshadow primer and the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder under eyes to catch fallout, because this eyeshadow palette is a bit powdery and can leave fallout. Some of the eyeshadows are staining, like this Paradise. My eyes were stained for a couple days after using this, but it usually happens when these are pressed pigments. And I'm going to use this with a pencil style brush, and I'm going to press this into the outer corner, press it into the crease against the orbital bone, and just kind of build that up little by little. And I'm going to do this slowly because, just like in cooking, if you pour in a bunch of salt, pour in a bunch of pepper before you taste it, and before you're doing it little by little, you can mess the whole look up by adding too much. Does that make sense? So add little by little is the best here. And the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in white, I'm going to use that on the lid, kind of stamp up with my eyelid to form the crease line. I'm going to map that out with a brush. I'm going to take the excess off with my finger and then pat it out. Now I'm going to go back in. Now the pink did look a little crazy for a while, but I'm going to fix this outer corner here and bring the pink in like a C there on the lower lash line, and I just think that looks really awesome. I'm going to be taking this pink shade that's right above the Paradise shade. It's a very hot pink shade as well, but not quite as hot pink as this one. Now the Paradise shade looks red in the pan, but it actually applies bright pink on the lid, or well, on the eyes. And on the fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending that in. So next I'm taking Art Deco, and it's an orange with the like glitters in it. It's so pretty. I'm just going to press that into the concealer in the center of the lid using a pencil style brush for this as well. And I'm just going to build that up and press it into that concealer. Keep working on that. And the orange is absolutely stunning. But when I finished this look, I was like, man, this is totally reminds me of Lisa Frank. Abstract from the eyeshadow palette, which is also a matte yellow, but it does have glitter in it. Same as that orange. And these just apply so beautiful. Like, if you like bright, colorful eyeshadow, I definitely recommend this ColourPop palette. Every look that I've done with this palette I've loved. I think now this makes number 3, I believe, on my channel. I'm not entirely sure. But once I have those shades blended, and because they're all of like similar families or color families, I'm going to apply the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin to my brow bone. And I just wanted more of a skin tone, not a stark white today as my highlight. Once I have that, I'm going to take Lovecraft from the palette, which is lighter than the second pink color we used in the crease. And I'm going to use that to blend the secondary crease color with the brow bone. So they're going to just mesh and melt right into one another, and the blend looks really beautiful. On the lower lash line, we're doing the hot pink, we're doing the orange, and we're doing the yellow in the inner corner, just mimicking what was done on top. And I love how that comes out. So this is the Sinful Colors, actually, single eyeshadow in Proud, and I'm applying that in the inner corner, and because I'm slightly applying it over the yellow, it's going to kind of turn it yellow, and it just meshes so well in this scenario. LaColors Neon Gel Eyeliner and Enchanted, beautiful purple. Highly recommend this purple eyeliner. I'm using that in the waterline. I'm going to use this Away Studio Artista purple liner pen to do a quick wing here. I'm doing a double liner today, and I've been loving the double eyeliner for a while now. I bought a bunch off of Shop Missy, and this is one of them, AOA Studio. Both of the liquid eyeliners I'm using. This yellow is so pretty. It's called Yolo Yellow. I love how this turned out. I just can't quit staring at the look. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive with the AOA Studio lashes and Amanda, I believe those were. Anyways, I'm going to apply those nice long spiky lashes. Tight line with the WetnWild Breakup eyeliner, and this is really going to help blend the lash line or the lash band in with the lashes, and so will the mascara. And once those lashes are meshed with the real lashes, for lips we did the LaColors New Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy, because I think it's pretty fitting to do a nude lip with this. But honestly, you could do a bright pink, you could do purple, yellow, whatever look you're most comfortable with. Love the Jellyfish earrings. They came from Shein for a couple dollars. Really pretty, and that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, found it helpful, and will try it out for yourselves. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the ColourPop Fade Into Hue palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so very much for watching.